The liver is an important organ in the body, performing more than 500 different functions. It is the body's main processing and detoxification center, responsible for energy metabolism, producing enzymes necessary for digestion, synthesizing proteins, regulating hormones, and removing toxins from the blood. With such an important role, any decline in liver function can seriously impact overall health. According to a study by Johns Hopkins University, the liver is the only organ that can regenerate itself, but if it is constantly exposed to harmful agents such as an unhealthy diet, environmental pollution, or prolonged stress, the liver's ability to regenerate will decrease. This leads to a buildup of toxins and causes serious problems such as fatty liver, hepatitis, or cirrhosis. A report from the World Health Organization, WHO, in 2021 said that liver-related diseases are the 11th leading cause of death globally, with rates increasing, especially in people over 50 years old. In addition, liver function tends to decline over time. Researchers at Harvard University have shown that in the elderly, the liver's ability to filter and remove toxins is reduced by about 30% compared to when young. This not only increases the risk of liver disease, but also affects the body's ability to absorb nutrients and the immune system. One of the most common causes of liver damage is the consumption of processed foods. These foods often contain saturated fats, preservatives, and toxic chemicals, which increase the burden on the liver during the detoxification process. According to a report from the University of California, San Francisco, regular consumption of processed foods increases the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, by up to 40%. This is especially dangerous for the elderly when the liver's ability to fight damage is reduced. However, studies have also shown that a healthy diet can effectively support and improve liver function. A study from Newcastle University found that adding natural fruits and vegetables, rich in antioxidants and liver-protecting compounds, can significantly reduce the risk of liver disease while improving detoxification. These foods not only provide essential nutrients, but also support the liver in fighting harmful agents. Caring for your liver is not only a responsibility, but also a practical action to protect your long-term health. Especially for the elderly, small changes in daily diet can bring significant results. Vegetables such as broccoli, beets, garlic, grapefruit, and avocado are not only easily available, but also contain natural compounds that support better liver function. Data from research and clinical practice show that early attention and care for the liver can help prevent many serious diseases, improve quality of life, and prolong life. In the context of increasing risks from modern food and lifestyle, choosing a diet rich in natural foods is the first step to protect the health of the liver and the whole body. So, have you ever paid proper attention to your liver? Let's explore scientific and easy-to-apply methods to protect your liver starting today. The liver, an internal organ about the size of a small soccer ball, is truly the control center of important functions in the body. Not only limited to detoxification, the liver also takes on over 500 different roles to maintain life and health. Of these, the three most notable main functions are 1. Energy metabolism. The liver converts food into energy and stores glycogen for use when needed. At the same time, it also regulates blood sugar levels, helping to prevent dangerous diseases such as diabetes. 2. Detoxification. The liver filters the blood, removing toxins from the environment, food, and metabolic byproducts. These toxins are then converted into non-toxic forms and excreted in the urine or feces. 3. Making essential compounds. The liver produces important proteins like albumin, which helps transport nutrients throughout the body. It also produces bile, which is needed to digest fats. However, factors from modern lifestyle are gradually overloading the liver. According to a study from Harvard University, more than 70% of liver problems are related to unhealthy diet and an unscientific lifestyle. In particular, the following factors are weakening the liver every day without us realizing it. Agents that harm the liver. 1. Unhealthy diet. Processed foods like hot dogs, canned foods, and fast foods are high in saturated fats, preservatives, and refined sugars. These ingredients not only cause fat to accumulate in the liver, but also increase the risk of fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. According to the University of California, San Francisco, regular consumption of processed foods increases the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, by up to 40%. 2. Environmental pollution. Air pollution, water containing toxic chemicals, and even cosmetics or medications used daily all contribute to the liver's burden in detoxifying. Long-term exposure to these toxins increases the burden and makes the liver vulnerable. 3. Stress and sedentary lifestyle. Chronic stress not only affects the mind, but also disrupts hormones, thereby causing hepatitis. In addition, sedentary habits also increase fat accumulation in the liver, leading to impaired function. 4. Alcohol and tobacco. These are two familiar but extremely dangerous agents. Alcohol, even when consumed in moderation, can still cause liver damage. A study from the American Liver Institute found that regular drinking increases the risk of hepatitis by up to 30% in older adults. In older people, the liver faces more challenges as its ability to regenerate and function declines with age. According to Newcastle University, in people over 60, the liver's detoxification function is reduced by about 30%, increasing the risk of toxin accumulation and chronic diseases such as cirrhosis, fatty liver, and liver cancer. This is especially worrying because the early symptoms of liver disease are often unclear and easily overlooked. Signs such as fatigue, bloating, indigestion, or pale yellow skin and eyes are often mistaken for normal aging symptoms, causing liver disease to only be detected when it is in a serious stage. The liver is not only a vital organ, but also a silent friend that protects us from the harmful effects of the environment and lifestyle habits. However, if not properly cared for, the liver will gradually be damaged and lead to a series of serious health problems. Especially for the elderly, protecting the liver not only helps maintain health, but also improves the quality of life. So, do you understand the health of your liver? Are you accidentally forgetting one of the most important organs in the body? Don't wait until the signs of disease become obvious. Start taking care of your liver today, starting with a healthy and scientific diet. With the following 9 vegetables, 9 fruits and vegetables that naturally detoxify the liver and the scientific benefits behind them. The liver, one of the body's most vital organs, possesses a remarkable ability to regenerate. However, this regenerative capacity can only thrive when supported by a balanced and nutritious diet. While processed and fast foods burden the liver, natural fruits and vegetables have been scientifically proven to aid in detoxification, protection, and regeneration. These natural powerhouses not only enhance liver function, but also contribute to overall health and vitality. Below, we explore 9 exceptional fruits and vegetables that promote a healthier liver and a stronger, more resilient body. 1. Turmeric. Golden medicine for the liver. Turmeric has long been used as a natural remedy to fight inflammation and protect the liver. The main compound in turmeric is curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and protects the liver from damage caused by toxins. According to a study from the University of Maryland, curcumin improved non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, in more than 65% of patients. Turmeric also aids in liver detoxification by increasing bile production, which helps remove harmful substances from the body. To get the most out of turmeric, add turmeric powder to warm milk or use it in your daily curries. 2. Kale. Green leafy vegetables protect the liver. Kale is considered one of the top superfoods due to its high levels of antioxidants, vitamins A and C. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, protecting liver cells from damage. A study from Yale University found that kale reduced liver damage in 72% of patients at risk of hepatitis. Sautéing kale with garlic and coconut oil or adding it to salads are simple ways to add this food to your diet. 3. Garlic. Effective anti-inflammatory and detoxifying garlic is one of the foods that is easy to find but brings unexpected benefits to the liver. Allicin in garlic helps stimulate the production of detoxifying enzymes in the liver and reduces the accumulation of heavy metals. According to Kyoto University, allicin can reduce the risk of fatty liver by 30%. Using garlic fried with olive oil or crushed and eaten raw every day not only protects the liver, but also supports the immune system. 4. Avocado. Protects liver cells. Avocados are not only rich in healthy fats, but they also contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce liver damage. In addition, avocados are rich in glutathione, an important antioxidant that helps the liver detoxify effectively. According to a study from UCLA, regular avocado consumption increases good cholesterol, HDL levels, and improves overall liver function. An avocado smoothie with nut milk or a slice of avocado in a sandwich is a great healthy choice. 5. Grapefruit. Golden friend of the liver. Grapefruit contains high amounts of vitamin C and naringenin, two substances that help reduce inflammation and support the liver's natural detoxification process. According to research from the University of Florida, naringenin also helps prevent fat accumulation in the liver, reducing the risk of fatty liver. Add grapefruit to your breakfast or salad for a simple liver health boost. 6. Beetroot. Supports circulation and reduces inflammation. Beetroot is rich in betaine, a compound that reduces inflammation and improves blood flow to the liver. This helps deliver the oxygen and nutrients needed for the liver to function more efficiently. A study from Newcastle University found that regular consumption of beetroot improved liver function in 85% of hepatitis patients. Try making beetroot soup with carrots or beetroot juice to get the most out of it. 7. Broccoli. Activates detoxifying enzymes. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's high in sulforaphane, a powerful compound that helps activate detoxifying enzymes in the liver. According to Johns Hopkins University, sulforaphane also helps reduce the risk of liver cancer. Steaming broccoli or blending a smoothie with apples and lemon are simple ways to add this food to your diet. 8. Carrots. Regenerate liver cells. Carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect and regenerate damaged liver cells. Beta-carotene also helps the liver convert toxins into a form that is easily excreted. A glass of carrot juice in the morning or a light carrot soup is not only good for the liver, but also improves the health of the skin and eyes. 9. Fish mint. Purifying and anti-inflammatory. Fish mint is famous for its ability to purify the blood and support the elimination of toxins through the urinary tract. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds, which help reduce the pressure on the liver in detoxification. According to experts at the National University of Singapore, using fish mint 3 to 4 times a week helps improve liver function significantly. Drinking fish mint juice or eating it raw are simple ways to enjoy this benefit. While the above fruits and vegetables help the liver recover and improve its function, processed foods do the opposite. Fast foods such as fried chicken, French fries, and soft drinks are high in saturated fat, refined sugar, and preservatives, causing fat to accumulate in the liver and increasing the risk of hepatitis. According to the University of California, San Francisco, consuming processed foods for just 1 month can significantly reduce liver function, even leading to fatty liver. This clear difference is a reminder for us to make smarter choices in our daily diet. Natural fruits and vegetables not only help improve liver health, but also protect the body from many dangerous diseases. Taking care of your liver is taking care of your overall health. So, are you ready to make changes to give your liver a breather? Additional supplements to help detoxify the liver more effectively. Whole grains. Brown rice and oats help reduce the metabolic burden on the liver. Nuts. Almonds and walnuts are rich in omega-3 and anti-inflammatory. Nut milk. Almond milk, soy milk instead of animal milk. Herbal teas. Artichoke tea and green tea help the liver detoxify. The liver, which works silently every day, plays an indispensable role in maintaining overall health. However, bad habits such as consuming processed foods, drinking alcohol, smoking, and living a sedentary lifestyle are silently damaging the liver every day. Studies have shown that these factors not only directly damage the liver, but also lead to serious health problems, such as cardiovascular disease, obesity, and diabetes. To protect your liver, changing is not difficult. Just start with small things, like adding broccoli, beets, grapefruit, or carrots to your daily meals. You have helped your liver breathe a sigh of relief. Not only that, but these healthy food choices also improve energy and bring youthfulness from within. Skipping fast food, limiting stress, exercising regularly, and choosing natural foods not only help keep your liver healthy, but also prolong your life, bringing a better quality of life. Loving yourself starts with taking care of your liver, the key organ for a healthy and vibrant body. Small changes today will bring big results tomorrow. And don't forget to share this message with your loved ones so they can also have the opportunity to live healthier every day. If you find the video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel to receive more valuable health information. Thank you for accompanying us and wish you always healthy, happy, and live every moment to the fullest.